Jordan with MasterBlend here. I want to talk about rug shampoos and maybe debunk a little bit of the myth that you need to have a specific shampoo for every type of specialty rug that you're cleaning. You got to have your Navajo shampoo, you got to have your silk shampoo, you got to have your viscose shampoo, and it's just not the case. These three products that you see in front of us are the three core products that we use in our rug cleaning plant every single day. We do not have a dozen products that we're using. It really comes down to about these three products for 99% of the rugs that we're cleaning. Our house shampoo is the Oriental Rug Shampoo. This is a great neutral pH product that and it's wool safe approved, and we're using it across the board. I mean, whether it's synthetic, wool, silk, cotton. This is a great shampoo. Again, neutral pH, wool safe approved. It works excellent as a house shampoo, as your kind of go-to starting point on a rug. Super effective. Doesn't matter if the rug is silk or Navajo or wool. Excellent core product right here. The next product I want to talk about is this MasterTech shampoo. Similar to Oriental Rug Shampoo, except it's an acid side cleaner. So if you have more difficult rugs, say a Navajo, a silk rug, viscose rug that you're concerned with, maybe some colors might run, or maybe some other cleaning concerns that you would want to stay acid side instead of an alkaline or neutral pH pre-spray, MasterTech shampoo is designed for those more tricky rugs like a Navajo or a silk rug. It is acid side, so it is going to help prevent some bleeding. You may still have bleeding. Always test these products, especially some of the newer weaving that's coming out. Always test for color run regardless. But MasterTech shampoo is a great acid side shampoo. Absolutely check it out. Then we have the heavy hitter, the Formula M. For most wool, silk, viscose rugs, if the M doesn't get it, you've got other problems. The Formula M is what we jump up to if we don't feel like the Oriental Rug Shampoo has quite enough oomph. The enzyme power, the oxidizer power in Formula M is going to be able to get that remainder of rugs, the tricky synthetic rugs that you have a difficult time with traffic lanes, even just heavily soiled viscose rugs, colored or not. Formula M is generally going to work wonders on your viscose, heavily traffic laned rugs. These three products right here are an excellent system to implement in your rug cleaning plant. I don't even want to say starting point, because you can do so much with these that you really don't need a dozen products to wash rugs. And guys, again, if we can do anything to help you grow your business, to help you become a better rug washer, we're happy to share what we know. We're happy to point you in the direction of some excellent training that's offered here across the country that's going on all the time. So feel free to reach out, find us on masterblend.net, and we're here to serve you guys. Thanks for checking this video out.